Ooh la la! Here, I'm Doreen Velin. I'm at the Creperie at St. Paul in the old fort town of Montreal. We're going to go in and watch an artist at work. He's going to make a crepe. He's going to make a special crepe just for us. And his name is...
Hello.
Hello. Your name?
My name is Jewel.
Okay, and Juice is going to show us his creation.
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay, love it. Thank you. He has a really special art of making the crepe. He says it's very simple, no salt, no sugar, only flour and milk and egg. Beautiful. That's an artist at work. That's an artist at work, everybody. Wow.
This one very
Awesome.
thick. Not this thing, this thing. It's only for this natural. This flour, milk and egg. That's it.
Wow. That's awesome.
Nothing. Also no have salt and no have this sugar.
Sounds good. I can't wait to eat it.
Then this maple syrup. Maple syrup is pure.
It's awesome. I think I ordered asparagus chicken and cheese.
Yummy!
Amen.
Being in this little restaurant, they had no liquor license, and all they made was crepes, and they were so proud of their work. And he said, I'll put my white hat on for you. Like, he was so proud to make this crepe. And the finishing result is beautiful. And, you know, whether you like crepes or not, it's all in the art of making a crepe.
Mango.
Oh, the mango. Maple syrup?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, maple syrup. And it's maple syrup time right now, isn't it? And the trees, are they tapping the trees now with maple syrup? This is the time of year, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. That's the good stuff. Lovely. Woohoo! Thank you so much.
Oh, that's very simple.
Wow.
Sorry.
These are our crepes. Fini. That's a shrimp cake, crepe, mango. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful art. There you go. Thank you. Thank you for being with me at the little creperie today. We had a lot of fun, eh? And watching a crepe guy, I don't know how else to say it, do his work and do his thing. So thank you for joining me. This is Doreen Velin.